Today we are starting the 1924 Indian Power Plus. The interesting features about this vehicle, from a rider's point of view, is that the throttle is on the left-hand control, increase, decrease, advance and retard is on the right control, that's retard, advance. Gear change is on the right hand, but can only be operated when the clutch is engaged, which releases dogs which allow the gear change to take place. We have a hand clutch which is linked to a foot clutch. The kickstart drives directly on the outside of the clutch. Before starting, you would give 3 primes of oil, but in this case we've already run the engine. If you look at the extra air setting, that is the starting position which tensions the spring to prevent extra air. It's the equivalent of a choke. Normally you would prime the cylinders with a syringe to put petrol directly into the cylinders. We've been using Easy Start through the extra air hole, but as this has been run once today, it should start. We're going to set the throttle to about quarter throttle, and we're going to set the timing to mid-range. You have a valve lift on the right hand.